Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I just want to share a couple of small tips which will help you in daily work. So in general, like how to upload a ISO to a data store, or how to mount a ISO on a virtual machine. I'm going to show that. So these steps are pretty simple, but a couple of times you may face some issues where you should know the multiple methods to upload or even mount ISOs. So here, like, I am going to show the methods to upload a ISO file, any ISO file. So here one method is like, if you have an ISO with you, what you can do is go to data store, and from here you can just click on upload files and select the ISO, required ISO, and you can upload it. This is the one method, and the second method is like uh, using the ESXi host in the vCenter. So when you connect to ESXi host, all the data stores will be listed here, all LUNs. So you need to select the LUN which you want to upload, and once you click the LUN, click on the data store browser, and you need to click on upload, and you need to select the ISO, and if you open it, it will start uploading the file. So once it is done, you will be able to see the status here as completed. So this is the two methods where we can do to upload an ISO file. So a couple of times while building the any appliance, or while building any VM, we need a ISO file. So apart from that, like so whenever if you want to mount a ISO to a particular virtual machine, so you can do it from here. Like, you can go to this virtual machine and and go to actions and edit settings, and you can go to CD-ROM. Here you will have three options, where one is like if it is a physical box, so you can, if it is having a CD-ROM drive, you can directly put the CD, or if it is a physical machine, you can mount the drive on the like virtual drive on the physical box from the BIOS, and you can do it, and it will be connected. Or using the data store, if you already uploaded ISO to the data store, you can click it, go to the particular data store, and it will be listed here, and you can just select it and click OK. And when you when you enable this uh, connected, so obviously the ISO will be mounted to the particular virtual machine. So in couple of cases, like for example, you are having ISO on your gem box, and you are unable to upload the ISO to the data store on the on the vCenter. uh, Previously we used to have an option where we can mount the ISO from the gem box, but that option was removed. But if you see, like, to access the console of a virtual machine, we have two options here. So one is like a web console, where you will have a option to access the console from here. So here you don't have much options here, only for keyboard, full screen, as well as alt control delete options. So another method is like using the launch remote console. Whenever you click this, it will ask it will ask for a download. So if you already downloaded it and install it on your Gembox, it's a one time. So though it is showing, it's immediately opens the console. So here it is the console with remote launch remote console. This is the web one and this is the remote console. So whatever you are doing it in the actions, most of the things you can do it on from here, like power on, suspend, restart, guest shutdown, everything, like removing the CD-ROM, everything. So all options are available here. If you go to manage, even you have the like increasing memory or adding processors, disks, everything. So here at the disks, like when you are going here from settings, actions and settings, we can hot add on disk space, but from here it's not possible. But you can expand the drive when it is in power off state. So you can add disks here, you can add network cards, whatever, like you're doing it from there, you can do it from here also. So one advantage here is like, so here if you go to removal disk and CD-ROM, if the ISO is on your jump server, you can mount it from here, and you can use that, you can install the OS, or you can do it like whatever like you require. So already this it is mounted here from data store, so not getting the option, but it is an alternate method to mount an CD-ROM drive from here from a jump box without uploading the ISO to the data store. So it is one of the advantage here in this one. So these are the like methods to upload an ISO as well as mount an ISO file to an virtual machine. And I think this is very much informative for you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.